All right, this is a quick inspection overview of 15311 West Skyhawk Drive. So here we're going to start on the outside and then we'll go into the inside the house. So the first thing is all these houses here in Sun City West, we have the stucco. It is below grade, as you can see here, but so are pretty much all the houses. All the houses built by this builder. So that's pretty much the design. Here's the gas water meter in case it has to be shut off. That's where the valve is to shut it off. Obviously, if you smell anything, call 911. There's no smell right now. I do have something that I tested with, and it is seems to be pretty good. It also has a carbon monoxide detector. So this is the main electrical panel. It's usually outside here in Arizona. I did open the cover to make sure that everything is clean and nice and neat. So it is. All the wires are folded the way that they should be, so you could tell an electrician has been there. Here is the unit. It is a Rudd unit, condensing unit. It did give me pretty good supply temperature in the 40s. So unfortunately, I could not get much information out of it because as you can tell, the label is faded, but in really good condition in terms of giving me good temperature. So going around here, the backyard. What I have here is in the patio area, patio cover. You can see they used interior fan for exterior use. That's why the blades are hanging down. There's a small crack on this ceiling right here. It is considered pretty much a seam crack, not structural. If it had been a structural, there would have been a difference in elevation. So coming around on this way, we have this tree, this bush plant would need to be trimmed, because when it's in proximity or close to the touching the structure, in this case, it would invite termites. There are no evidence of termites throughout the whole house, including the exterior, the interior, or the attic. Plenty of insulation in the attic. I also got on top on the roof, and there's no cracked tiles. There's a few tiles that were repaired, but that's basically okay to repair them with an epoxy. So good job on the tiles. This is a few of these low voltage garden lights or landscape lighting. They are basically might have to be put back in place with a stake. That's outside the scope, but that's low voltage. So let's go inside and I'll show you what I find inside the house. So to start the inspection, I start in one corner of the house. I go all the way around the house, and then I come back to the same spot. I'll be checking all the outlets with different tester. For example, this one will show me continuity, and it will tell me if something is open or burnt or needs repair, if the wires are not connected. This one is another tester, and it's more of a digital form, and I check all the outlets. I connect it like this. It would tell me if the outlets are correct or if there's a problem with the wiring. I have found no problem in any of the outlets. Even the GFCI outlets are working just fine. Here we are in the garage. So a couple things in the garage. There seems to be previous water damage or water staining on this west picture window in the garage. Nothing there right now. This is inside your furnace. I checked for heat and I checked for air conditioning. So the top is the furnace, the bottom is the air handler. The hot water heater in really good shape. Temperature, I think it was 117. It's recommended to be below 120. It looks like based on the serial number and based on the note that they wrote, it was replaced in 2008. So that is in good shape here. So let's go inside and continue. So here in the kitchen, I tested all the appliances and I tested all the electrical. Everything is working just fine. No leaks under the sink. The only thing we have is previous staining under the kitchen sink. It is covered by this cover, but this is all dried. There's no problem now, but it could have been that it leaked at one time. The bottom is not damaged, it's just stained. Garbage disposal works, everything in here works. The windows, dual pane windows, they just need a little bit of lubrication on them. No problem in the under the sink. It appears that all the quarter turn valves are basically replaced and not there's no corrosion in them. That's usually what 72 sold would do. At any rate, so I'm going to go and give you a conclusion of what I find. Here in the master bedroom, we have an exhaust fan which seems to be not responding to any of the wall switches. So that has to be taken care of. So conclusion for the inspection, the roof is in good shape. No cracked tiles. There were a few that were repaired. The structure in good shape. The plumbing, no corrosion. Electrical in good shape. And basically AC gave me really low temperature. And also the electrical, no problem as well. No termites, so you do get what you warranty. Again, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.